Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, built his investment empire by understanding how macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and currency trends affect asset prices. One of his most famous insights was predicting the 2008 financial crisis by analyzing the credit cycle and excessive leverage in the United States economy. Dalio's principles emphasize that no company operates in isolation. Understanding global macro trends is crucial to predicting how sectors and individual stocks will perform. Global macro refers to the analysis of large-scale economic and geopolitical factors that influence financial markets. These include interest rates, inflation, fiscal and monetary policy, currency movements, and international trade dynamics. Interest rates are a critical indicator. Rising interest rates often hurt stocks, especially growth stocks, while falling interest rates tend to support them. Inflation is another key factor. Moderate inflation supports corporate profits, while high inflation can erode profit margins and reduce consumer spending. Gross domestic product or GDP growth also plays a major role. A growing economy typically boosts stock prices, while slowing growth or recession can depress them. Employment data signals economic strength or weakness and has a direct effect on consumer-driven sectors. Central bank policy, including decisions by institutions such as the Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, impacts market liquidity and investor sentiment. A strong domestic currency tends to hurt exporters but benefits importers. In contrast, a weak domestic currency helps exporters by making their goods more competitively priced abroad, but it raises input costs for importers. Trade policies, including tariffs, trade agreements, and sanctions, can drastically affect performance across different sectors. Geopolitical conflicts can cause short-term market volatility and shift investor focus towards safe haven assets. Pandemics or natural disasters disrupt supply chains and negatively impact sectors such as travel, energy, and logistics. Global financial crises can shake investor confidence across the world, even in markets that are otherwise unrelated to the originating event. To integrate macro analysis into stock selection, begin by analyzing how sensitive a company or sector is to interest rates or inflation. Use macroeconomic trends to guide timing decisions, such as investing in cyclical stocks during periods of economic recovery. Tracking central bank communication can also provide early signals of policy shifts. Global macro analysis helps investors understand not just the company, but the world it operates in.